Remove the calipers and put the new rotors in. You got some real nice looking ones there, so that's what we'll do. And the brakes, right?
And the brakes,
yeah. And the brakes. We're losing this side. This is the side that on threads, and then the other side you want to leave it tightened so it pushes it out. And then once you have it all the way out, then you can loosen that side. You remove the calipers by removing the 2 bolts behind it, and then once you have them off, to get the wheel off, so we're gonna replace the rotors, right? You have to loosen these 2 10 mils on each side, and then you want to get you one of these tools. These tools, and I'll leave the link down below. You can get them on eBay, Amazon, for a few bucks, and they're awesome. This one's like universal, so you can switch it up if it's a different size, and this one's a set size. This one was actually for my motorcycle, for the 636. So yeah, once you do that, just loosen this up, and then you can get the wheel off, and then you can get the rotor off. I'm just gonna get the extension. You should be able to play right there, just like this. Alrighty, guys, we're just gonna do the brake calipers now, and yeah, this bike's getting a whole complete makeover. A lot of new goodies, new maintenance. It's gonna get new oil, new coolant. I mean, basically, it's gonna be a whole different bike when it comes out. So my man's gonna be happy. Gonna be like a little kid riding this thing. That's it. Get it done. Next, we're gonna do the rotors, and we're gonna remove this pinstripe here because his new fairings are not yellow, they're black. I'm just gonna say that. They got other colors, but you'll see when it's finished. But yeah, so we're gonna remove this and put the new one. Ooh, put the new ones in, man. Look at that. Woo! Right now, Frankie's gonna take the pinstripe on the wheel. So it's no longer a yellow bike, yellow and black. So my man's getting ready, heating up that glue, getting ready to come off. Ready to put these back on. I'm gonna torque these 16.5 pounds. It's what we're calling for, so we're gonna do that. To do this, we're looking for, we're gonna tighten it until it goes. Does step on it? Cuando hace click, that's it. I always go like twice. Just to make sure, you know what I mean? That should be good. I'm gonna double check them again because there's your life on the line, you know what I mean? Let me play around. Good. Alright, let's flip her over. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, his headlight is pretty rough. So what I'm gonna do is wet sand it with a 1500 and a 2000 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to polish it for him so that thing looks brand new. I'm gonna put it back, and since we don't have the fairings on, it'll be a lot easier to do so instead of doing it with the fairing and getting compound all over it. So that's what I'll do now. Wet sanding situation there. Gonna buff it. You want to go in the same motion, like you don't want to do up and down and then go circle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like I said, it's not too rough, but watch, you'll see the difference. This will just give it that newer look, you know what I mean? We'll do that. You're like, oh shit, that's all messed up now, right? That's what it looks like, right? You take the 2000 grit. You know? Damn, bro, if you would have had the LEDs,
yeah,
it would have been clutch because we would have did it right there. I don't have any, bro. Otherwise, I would have threw it on. I just told you give me another set later, but I don't even have it. So while I connect the buffer, let that drop for a few seconds. Nice, right? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the process to polish